Maths Chapter 1 Integer. In class 6, we have learnt about natural numbers, whole numbers, and integer. Before starting the chapter, let's revise what we have learned. Numbers. We use numbers to count anything. So, what are various types of numbers? The various types of numbers are natural number, whole number, and integers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers are counting numbers, but these set of numbers do not include 0. This is because you cannot count 0. So numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. are called natural numbers. Here we can say natural number starts from 1. That means 1 is the smallest natural number. Now let's learn about whole numbers. All natural numbers along with 0 are called whole numbers. That means whole numbers starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 all are whole numbers. 0 is the smallest whole number. These type of numbers do not include fraction. From the definition of natural numbers, we can conclude that every natural or counting number is a whole number. What is integer? Integers include all natural numbers, 0 and negative numbers. For example, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. These are integers, where positive integers are 1, 2, 3 and so on. Negative integers are -1, -2, -3, etc. and 0, which is an integer that is neither negative nor positive. Here you can see a number line. 0 is at the middle of the number line. On the right side of 0 we have positive integers, and at the left side of the number line we have negative integers. Remember, if the number has no sign attached to it as prefix, then it means that is a positive number. For example, number 3, it is actually +3, but we do not attach sign of plus as a prefix. Here are some important points which we have learned in class 6. On the number line, when we add a positive integer, we move to the right. When we add a negative integer, we move to the left. When we subtract a positive integer, we move to the left. And when we subtract a negative integer, we move to the right. Let's discuss some important points. When two positive integers are added, we get a positive integer. Here we have some examples. 56 plus 73 equals to 129. Here 56 and 73 both are positive integers, and the answer 129 is also a positive integer. Another example is 113 plus 82. The answer is 195. Here 113 and 82 are positive integers, and the answer 195 is also a positive integer. Point number 2. When two negative integers are added, we get a negative integer. Here we have example minus 56 plus minus 73. The answer is minus 129. Here minus 56 and minus 73 both are negative integer. So the answer is also a negative integer, that is minus 129. Point number 3. When one positive and one negative integers are added, we take their difference and place the sign of a bigger integer. The bigger integer is decided by ignoring the signs of both the integers. Here we have some examples. Let's understand this point through examples. Minus 56 plus 73. Here minus 56 is a negative integer while 73 is a positive integer. So we have to find out the difference. The difference between 73 and 56 is 17. Ignore the signs of both the integers and find out the difference. After getting the difference, apply the sign of bigger integer. Here bigger integer is 73, that is positive. So answer will be a positive integer. Next is minus 113 plus 82. Here we have one negative integer and one positive integer. Minus 113 is a negative integer while 82 is a positive integer. Find out the difference of 82 and 113. The difference is 31. And 113 is a bigger integer which is negative. So answer will be minus 31. Last important point to revise, which is additive inverse. Additive inverse of an integer 8 is minus 8 and additive inverse of minus 8 is 8. Here we have some examples of additive inverse. Additive inverse of 10 is minus 10 and additive inverse of minus 10 is 10. I hope you all have understood these points. Revise these points and understand.